everybody, how's everyone going? It's Evangeline here and welcome to another vlog. How's everyone going? I hope you're all doing really great today. So in today's vlog, unfortunately there will be a lot of food. So I am getting ready to head off for breakfast with a friend of mine. We are going to discuss about conference because my church, our church Kingdom City, we're having a conference on the 2nd to the 4th of October, and it's free. So I'm going to link the details down below in the description, and you can click on it and then you can join in. It is going to be amazing. We've got really good amazing speakers such as John Bevere, Lisa Bevere, I think his name is Chris Derasso, I think, sorry, Chris Derasso. We've got Pastor Mark, Pastor Jem, and a whole heaps of other speakers. So I'll link in the description down below. If you want to click on it, it is free, entirely free, so you can do that. But I'm gonna get ready to meet a friend of mine because we are, like I said, we're going to discuss on conference, because we're having conference at my place. So we just want to discuss and see how we do things, how we run things as well. Yeah, so I have been extremely busy and I'm actually going to work in the afternoon. I've got the afternoon shift today, so I'll be going to work later on at 1 o'clock. But I have been so busy the past few days that I'm not even sleeping properly. I think because my body gets really active and stuff, and but at night, and I can't actually sleep, so it's really painful. Like, I feel so tired, but then I can't sleep. It's like my brain is actively doing things. Yeah, anyways, I think I'll stop talking. Oh yes, before I stop talking, I just want to show you a recent obsession. I recently got this here native deodorant. So this is the nectar, sweet peach and nectar. I extremely love it so much because it is there is no paraben, there's no aluminum sorry. Yes, and it smells so good. It smells so good. You should try it. It's so good. It's I got this online on the native website. So yeah, I'll link it in the description down below as well. Yes. Hey, all right, I'm gonna stop talking now and let's go. I'll see you at breakfast. Hello. Oh. Look at what song we're listening to. Goblin! Yeah, we have arrived! Yay! Never been to this part of the world before, part of Australia before. Yay! So I am finished with work and I have to tell you, but first of all, I'm really sorry for the yellow lighting. I'm actually in my car now, and as you can tell from the outside, we are in darkness now. It's nighttime now, so I just finished work and I have to tell you, work was hectic. I actually did not stop working from the time I started until it was almost time for me to go home. So I am so tired. I was so hungry as well because I was busting, but it's time for dinner now. Now, I actually wanted to cook, but because work was hectic and crazy, I was like, nah, stuff it. I am going to do takeaways. So I am actually craving for some Sarawakian food, and I'm gonna do takeaways from this place called Golden Walk. Can you see Golden Walk? I'm going to this place called Golden Walk, which is pretty close to my workplace. And yeah, no, Golden Walk and another one, I forgot, two hand noodles. Legit good Sarawakian place to eat. If you are in Sarawak, if you are in Perth and you are a Sarawakian, or you love Sarawakian food, you are craving for one, or you miss home, these are two places I would definitely recommend, especially if you want to have mee kolok, mee kering, you know, kampua mee is all there. So I'm gonna link in the description down below the website, and you can actually go and have a look for yourself, okay? All right, I'm so hungry and I'm gonna get going now. How are you going? So it's a new day today, and for today I am going to head to Ikea. Yes, it's another Ikea vlog, but this time I'm actually going with a friend of mine. So I actually need to go to Ikea to get a few things. Nothing major, so not like what I said. I'm not gonna get tables or desk yet. That would be, I'll leave that for another vlog. But today I'm going to get a few things, and so happened the friend that I'm going with, she also needs to get a few things. So I'm just waiting for her to head to my place, and we will go to Ikea together. Yes, another Ikea vlog, and yes, this time I will be having the meatballs. So I'm actually really excited. I have not eaten yet, so I'm pretty hungry. So I will wait for her then. I'm all ready now, so all I need to do is just put some nice fragrance and we can head off. All right, let's go. Look who is here. Oh, later copyright. Yay, we're heading to Ikea now. Are you hungry?
I am.
Me too. I haven't eaten yet because I buka puasa at 11 AM, but I haven't eaten yet. Let's go.
I'm trying to find for like folded chairs. Folded chairs?
Folded chairs.
What is like $7.
What type of folded chairs?
Because you know, having conference.
Oh,
yeah. Oh, maybe they will be.
Do you want some stools for the conference?
Oh my gosh, this is nice. Put more flowers in here. Doreen's just hiding there. Hi!
I will not switch the light off.
They better don't.
I was about to switch the light off.
So I am back from Ikea. My friend and I, we spent about 2.5 hours there. There were a lot of people there, but I'm really glad people were social distancing, so that was good. We spent 2.5 hours there. We had the amazing meatball. I have forgotten how amazing it is, but you know, we spent a lot of money. Oh no. Anyways, you know, my friend bought a couple of things for her house. I bought a couple of things for my home, and I actually bought a floor lamp. And carrying the floor lamp from my car to my apartment, it's crazy. It's so heavy. I didn't know it was that heavy. I think maybe because I was holding the lamp, and I was also holding all of the other things that I bought in my hand, so my arms are pretty sore now, so it's shaking. So I'm gonna take it easy tonight. I'm gonna make myself dinner, upload a video, edit this vlog here for tomorrow, and I will see you in the next one. Remember that you are amazing, that you are born for a purpose, that God has an amazing plan for you, and that He loves you. So thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye. God bless all of you.